Hello, my friends. Today we are going to deal on affiliate marketing 101 with Superboy Mike. Look, because of affiliate marketing, Superboy Mike has been able to live well, comfortably, and every time he just sits outside near the beach and is happy and very calm. So, what do you know about affiliate marketing? First, affiliate marketing is a system, okay, where you do not own a product, or you know a company that owns a product, or you know someone that owns the product, or you know a website that posts the product, and then you know that there are people that are in need of the product, or even if they are not existing customers that you know, but you have a platform or you have a way of reaching people to tell them about the product, and then by the time they tell you about the product, and then you lead them to buy the product, the company that you referred them to, okay, they now pay you a commission for bringing customers. First, this is how affiliate marketing works. It's not like drop shipping that I did, okay? Affiliate marketing works such that there's a parent company, okay? Let's say this is the company, and then this is you. This is Superboy Mike, and this is the company. Now, Superboy Mike goes to the company and tells them, look, I know that you sell a bottle of water, and I know that if you want to have customers, okay, I'm going to take this your bottle of water, tell people that you own this water, they will now come and buy from you. Now, when they buy from you, you pay me a commission, deal or no deal. The company now says, okay, I agree. So now Superboy Mike leaves his room, goes to his hostel of his school, okay, talks to his classmates, tell them, look, there's a bottle of water. You must come to this company and buy it for a cheap price. And now they do not know that Superboy Mike works for this company. So the number of people that come here, maybe if it's online, they sign with this promo code, okay? Once they buy it, the company registers that Superboy Mike has earned the commission. So this for offline, okay? If it is online, okay, the company shares a unique link for Superboy Mike to share. So anybody that buys through that unique link is now registered as someone buying from Superboy Mike's affiliate. This is how it works. Affiliate marketing, you do not need to own the product, okay? You just need to connect the customers to the company that sells the product. Okay, the payment doesn't even pass through you. The payment goes to the company, and then the company decides how much commission they are going to pay you, and it works like magic. Very, very easy to do. Look, I've done a lot of affiliates for a lot of companies, okay, and I'm telling you that it's something that anybody can try, okay, whether it is seller, okay, or Jumia, okay, or any other threshold e-commerce platforms is very easy. I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is quite different from drop shipping. Just like in drop shipping, the money goes to you, but in affiliate marketing, it goes to the parent company first before you earn a commission. I hope you learned something from affiliate marketing 101 with Superboy Mike. If you think that anything I'm saying is wrong, know that it's Superboy Mike that says it, and neither I or Superboy Mike are experts. We're just sharing our knowledge and information to you, and I hope that it helps you. And we will see you in the next video. Peace.